Welcome back. Now we continue to see moisture convergence in the afternoons across the western portion of the Jamaica area, helping to generate showers and isolated thunderstorms across sections of western parishes. We're expecting similar conditions as we move into the middle of this week and into the weekend. We have generally fair conditions across most of the open Caribbean this evening. The winds are dying down. We're expecting winds at 15 to 20 knots over the open waters of the basin. There is some moisture, not enough to be generating those showers and thunderstorms that could have been occurring across the area. Now the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies, but we do have generally fair conditions across sections of eastern parishes. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay with 5-knot winds on both coasts. Expect sunny conditions in the morning, partly cloudy conditions in the afternoon, isolated showers mainly across inland areas. Temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius for Kingston and Montego Bay. The breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area tomorrow, but expect some showers if you're in Santa Cruz, Black River, Lucy, Montego Bay or Falmouth. On the north, we're expecting showers for Port Maria, also Port Antonio and Ocho Rios, partly cloudy skies for Golden Spring and Bogwalk. We expect partly cloudy skies across inland areas of Christiana, Grange Hill, Duncans, as well as K Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now on Thursday, it's partly cloudy with some isolated showers in the afternoon. Similar conditions on Friday, while stronger winds are expected across northern sections of the island. And then on Saturday, it's partly cloudy for most of the afternoon. For the marine forecast, on the north coast, winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And then for offshore areas, winds are at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And the sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 9 minutes after 6, 12 past 6 in Mandeville, and at 15 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.